Hi, meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk mountain weather and do an update on the monsoon surge, which is still on track for this weekend, and it does look strong. The key to this is the positioning of this high. When you look at this during monsoon season, July, August, if it's in this position to the east of Colorado, it opens the door. It opens the door for the monsoon to surge. In other words, it helps to kind of steer, turn the winds, and that will help to escort in the moisture, higher dew point air. In other words, higher humidity, more moisture to juice up the atmosphere over Colorado and the thunderstorms. And ultimately, the end product is you may have a thunderstorm, any thunderstorm, with this type of setup that delivers an inch of rain in 30 minutes. That is a recipe for flash flooding anywhere that gets hit with that type of a thunderstorm. So that's what we're looking at, watching the position of the high. It looks like it's going to be in position most of the weekend. So let's do the future aspect of this and look at the future radar. This afternoon, isolated storms over the western slope and most of the mountain communities. But really the key time frame is going to be Friday afternoon, Saturday, and Sunday. So you look at Friday morning at 5, moisture is already loading up in parts of Utah. It will pivot to the right and help to juice up the atmosphere over Colorado. And what develops in the afternoon tomorrow is going to be much more widespread. And any one of these thunderstorms you see Friday afternoon, again, will have the potential to deliver an inch of rain in 30 minutes. And that's going to be the concern. I have a feeling Glenwood Canyon will probably close most of the weekend, starting tomorrow afternoon. And that's just, a lot of the burn scars will be in this similar setup with flash flood potential. We're already starting to see the flash flood watches and warnings roll down the pipeline for many areas in western and southwest Colorado. So then that moisture will somewhat fade very late. A lot of these storms could go late into the night. There may be a brief opportunity with some brief drying early Saturday, as you can see on the future radar. But the window of opportunity for climbing, biking, running at high elevation will be shrunk. It will be abridged and much smaller because we may have rain and drizzle in Denver early Saturday, and all of the moisture is still there over the top of the high peaks, and it won't take long before it pops and flares into rain and storms, and they may develop early on Saturday and continue well through the afternoon. This is going to be a challenging day, Saturday afternoon. A lot of activity on the board. Look at all the green, and a high risk for flash flooding in a number of areas. And then those storms will go late, and it may still be raining or drizzling in the Denver area on Sunday morning. There's just so much moisture to flush through. Notice there may be a brief opportunity of drying on Sunday morning over parts of the mountains. That's not guaranteed at this point, but that's possible. It will be brief, with all of the showers and storms back building as the midday and the afternoon wears on, especially along I-70 and south, where the bulk of the moisture in the atmosphere is going to be on Sunday afternoon. You can see, once again, a lot of development. And then by the time we get into Monday and Tuesday, lower percentages, but they're still going to be there in the afternoons. All right, so that's the latest on the weekend. It's looking active with heavy rain potential. All right, thank you for tuning in here. Do appreciate it.